everybody? Welcome to another episode of Nasty Addiction Garage. So in today's episode, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be jumping back onto George's 5th Gen 3S GTE. But in this episode, we're going to kind of change things up a little bit. I'm going to call it a autopilot episode, just because I'm going to put you guys on the camera stand. You guys are going to watch everything that I'm doing, but I'm going to put it all in a time lapse. The reason why I'm doing this is because I really want to focus on putting this on correctly. I don't want to have to stop and pause and do all this editing stuff before I actually get to doing work onto the motor. So guys, I'm just gonna put you guys on the camera stand, put you guys on the time lapse. I hope you guys enjoy this episode, but let's jump into this thing and let's go. Alright everybody, I kind of wanted to take a pause real quick and kind of explain what I've done so far. So I've changed out the cam gear seals. Those are changed out. I know I'm probably going to get some comments about the RTV that I put on there. Guys, I like to put RTV. That's just me. You don't have to. It's not a necessity, but that's just something that I like to do as a precaution. So I just like doing it. So please don't mind me when I do that. It's just me. Promise you. But it works for me, it works well, so everything is coming out pretty good. So we just changed out this thing. I got the new one right here, so the idler is going to be hanging out right there as well. I'm going to clean everything in here up before I put the new one, but let's go forward guys and let's get this motor done. Let's go. right, everybody, I brought the motor in because I wanted to show you guys a little rundown on what I have done so far to George's motor. So cam gear seals, they are done. Everything is torqued up to spec and at the right angles. Got this new bad boy in, that's torqued properly. Got this bad boy in, that's on appropriately as well. What we're going to do now is move on to this section here. We're going to remove this. We're going to change out the seal that's right in here. Not only that, but we're going to then take out the water pump. But I noticed something on the water pump. Somebody messed it up. So I'm going to try to get that out, and if I don't, I'm going to have to drill it out somehow. So that's going to be the next project. But we have a new, where is it? Where'd it go? New wheel here that I'm going to be installing as well. But I have to get this section out first, so I can't do that with the wheel here in the way. So I remove the wheel. I'm going to go ahead and remove all these bolts, take this out. I got all the seals and the stuff that I need right there, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. But first and foremost, I'm going to try to get this out. But if I can't, we'll have to move on, do the rest of the stuff and save that for last. So let's go. All right, everybody, I was able to remove that seal, and I was able to remove that busted up stripped screw. So now I could go ahead and replace the water pump. I'm going to go ahead and do that, but first I'm going to clean this little seal right here, clean that area, and then go ahead and replace it with a new seal. And then we're going to go ahead and remove this bad boy and then replace that seal as well. So guys, I'm going to put you guys back on a time lapse just to make sure so I can get this done efficiently and accurately. But just sit tight and check it out. I think I just heard the mailman drop off some packages, so I'm gonna go check these packages out. They're probably all of George's stuff, so let's go. Everybody, we got all the stuff in. We got the intercooler just came in. We have all the stuff we ordered from TCS, and we have a new TCS exhaust that's going to go on George's 3S GTE 5th gen. I can't wait to put this thing together. George, you just came by to come and check this out, and I'm glad you came by. You don't know that I'm recording this, but I got a full video for you, a full build video basically on your motor that I'm building for you. So just stay tuned. I can't wait to put all this stuff on. Like, I almost kind of was rushing him out of here because I really didn't want him to see all this stuff and look really like close to everything. I'm doing some special stuff for him. On the other side over here, I have all the valve cover stuff and all the stuff that I'm powder coating for him as well. So there's just a lot of stuff going on right now, guys. But I'm super excited. We have some parts in, guys. So let's dive into it and let's open it up. Let's go. Everybody, we even got more packages in. So we got the clutch kit, we got some TCS muffler, we got some more TCS stuff, we got some stuff from I believe MR2 Heaven, we got the intercooler, we have a lot of stuff here, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and open all this stuff up, make sure everything is good and what we ordered. So let's jump into it, guys. So let's go. All right, guys, we emptied out the first box. We left some paper in there, but check this out. We have everything here that we need basically for this 5th gen. We have the downpipe, we have the intercooler shroud, we have the fan right below it, we have the downpipe bracket, we have intercooler piping, no blow-off valve. We have the TCS clutch line, hard clutch line. We have the cruise control throttle cable. We have the full throttle cable. We have all the coolant lines. We have the hoses, or we have the radiator hoses. We have the couplers for the air intake. We have the air intake filter and the 4-inch intake pipe. So this is looking amazing. Like I'm super excited because oh, and we got the exhaust gasket as well. That's what I was missing. I was looking, I was like, oh, and the fuel filter too. We got a lot of stuff here, guys. So this is actually really, really cool because I'm excited because this is just going to be that much better for George's Motor, and I'm just excited on doing this build. These builds are so much fun for me, so I enjoy every single bit.